Hi, it's Allison. I am here in the rec room where I live, and I just wanted to show you some of my diamond paintings that I've been doing. One I just finished, um, and then ones that I have a whole bunch to do. I thought I would just show them to you, and then just show you my setup, and maybe I'm just starting this new one, so I'll show you a couple how to do it on a couple. It's very, very, very easy if you haven't done one before. I got basically just brought into it. Somebody here where I live had one and didn't want to do it, and they thought I would want to do it. I'd never heard of them, and so I thought I would try it, and I got hooked right away. Once I figured it out, it took a couple weeks to figure it out, and once I got figured out, I was hooked. And so I thought I would just show you how to do it real quick. Little tutorial. There's different ways you can do it, but this is the easiest way that I found for me. I'll show you my setup here. Go down if I can. I can't go in. So I got all these boxes with every single bead in them, every single color you can get. I did get that from Temu. I've got these bigger boxes from Temu, and excuse me, the littler boxes I think from Amazon. And then I saw as a free thing that I could get on Fishland. I got a bundle of every single diamond painting color. So that took me a couple weeks to get all of this organized. But now that I did, it's much easier. So I've got all these. I've got this folder that I got from Temu. That it doesn't hold everything, but it holds more than I was before. And then this yellow folder, which I'll go through in a minute, has all the rest of my paintings that are not done. And then I've got this box here. This was from Hobby Lobby, I believe. I just have my extra stuff in it. My wax. This is a little vacuum I got from Temu. All of my little thingies. I can't think of the name of them. Some people call them boats. My extra diamonds that don't fit in these containers. I refill that when I'm done with a painting. Usually I check them all. So I've got all those. That's basically my setup, and these are the little containers that have numbers on. I put numbers on the top. This is the color I'm going to use. So here is the painting I just finished the other day. Still needs framed, but I got it. It's Starry Night. I love it. I just need to get a frame for it, and then it'll go up in my room. And then the rest of these, I've got most of these came from Temu, some from Amazon. Winnie the Pooh, Titanic that I just got. Little tiny Care Bears one. Let's see, The Night Before Christmas. Scooby-Doo. He's upside down. But that's a little Scooby-Doo one. This one's Butterflies and Sunflowers. I've got another butterfly. And here's a dog one. I did get this one for free off Temu for something. And then I've got this one that I did. It's my own picture from the internet that I did. I don't know how well that's going to turn out. That came from Amazon. Here's a hamburger. Here's mushrooms. Here's another sunflower and moon picture. And then here's a Wizard of Oz. And I had a hard time picking what I wanted to do for my next picture, but I decided on this one. It's dogs playing poker. So this one will take me a while. There's a lot of colors in this, so 24 colors, but they're all spread around, so it's going to take me a while. So I'll just show you real quick how to do this. They have little symbols or letters, and then you go up here and you find your letter, and then each number, DMC number, corresponds to a color, which is in here. So you just do that. You got your pen, and you put wax on the back on your pen. It's not showing up, but I've got wax on the end of the pen. And you take, try not to get stuck. You have to have the diamond side up. So you take your diamond, what am I at here? You take your diamond, press down a little bit, get it on, press down, and hope it goes on. Sometimes they're difficult to get on. I might need more wax. There we go. So you just take it, and this is letter B. So you just take you find your letter B's, which are all right here, and then you're just gonna put it right here, which I think it fell off. Which happens. So you're just going to take it and you're going to put it right there. And that's it. But you have to do that for every single different color. So it doesn't take practice, it takes patience. But anyway, that's my setup. And that's a little, let's see, there, little tutorial on kind of how to do it. Flip it back here. I've got my setup. It works really good. I've got one in here, but I don't like them. They go on the end of this, your pen. And they're multiple, you can put multiple beads on one for like a line and just push down. But I don't like them, it takes more time to fix all of that. So I just do it one by one. But it's up to the person. Some people like those, some people don't. I'm not sure what they're called. You can put multiple diamonds on at one time, basically. So but that's my next. Dogs Playing Poker is the one I'm doing now. Next, I think I'm going to do Pooh, the Pooh Bear one. I haven't decided, but I think that's the one I'm going to do next after this one. This one's going to take me a while. So when I get the Starry Night framed and up in my room, I will do a video or put a community picture up in my community area. So that's all I've got. I just wanted to show you real quick on that. That's all I've got today. So I will talk to you later. Bye.